The DistroKid app gives you access to so many features while on the go. You can even pay for your DistroKid membership through the app and through your App Store account. So let's look at 5 features of the DistroKid for iOS app that make it worth getting. And this video is not sponsored. I just really like the DistroKid app and I wanted to share it with you. And the DistroKid app is free. Now, the first feature that make the DistroKid for iOS app stand out is that you can actually upload your music right from the app. So if you make music on your iPhone or on your iPad, this is ideal because you can upload right from there. You don't have to go to a computer or anything like that. You can make your music here and upload it right from your phone. And another reason why that might be helpful is maybe you sent off a track to get approval from your bandmates, or you just wanted to get approval from friends to make sure it sounded okay, and you're out on vacation or you're at work or somewhere far from your computer and you're not going to be able to get back to upload your song. Well, once you get that approval, you can upload it right from your phone and you'll have access to all the same features as if you were doing it on your computer. So the second feature of the DistroKid app is that you'll get notifications once your royalties come in. So if any of the stores update the royalties and they get put into your account, DistroKid's going to let you know through the app that you have new royalties waiting for you. And maybe just seeing that notification, no matter how little or how big the payment is, it could inspire you to finish that next track or even start the next one. I know with me, whenever I see even just the smallest amount in there and the fact that I'm getting paid from making music, I find that incredible and it pushes me to continue making. And this brings me to the third feature, which is my favorite, and that's the fact that you can see what DistroKid calls the bank. So you can see how much they still owe you, how much you've made over time, and you can even withdraw your earnings right from the app. And that's my favorite thing right there. You can even click in here to see the history of all of your payouts and where all of the money is coming from. So which apps are making you the most money with your music. And that's typically the page I check out the most. Now, reason 4 for getting this DistroKid app is that you can share and view your Hyperfollow pages. And if you aren't familiar with what Hyperfollow is, these are the pages that get created instantly whenever you upload a new song. And you can share those across all of your social media sites even before your song goes live into all of the stores. Plus, once your song starts to make it into stores, the links for them will get updated in this Hyperfollow page. So you can continue to share this Hyperfollow page for all of your releases, and that way your fans can access your music wherever it is that they purchase or stream their music from. Now, reason 5 for getting the DistroKid app is that you can view your Apple and Spotify stats right from within the app. And you can view it for your artist overall, so the overall streams that you've had for that artist, or you can go into the individual releases and check out the streams for the individual songs. It's really incredible to have access to all of that data right from your phone and the amount of stuff you can do right from your phone with this app. And another cool thing that DistroKid lets you do is quickly get your blue verified for artist badge on Spotify. Click the video on the screen right now to see how you can quickly do that. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.